Hello, good evening. How are you all? Thank you, all of you, for joining us today. Hi, Tamanna. I missed you all too. Hello, Achal. Good evening, all of you. Thank you for joining. Hi, Mona. Okay, great. Uh, Many of you have been regularly posting questions on self love, and let me confess today that today I am actually the one who requires some self love. Compared to my regular days, I am slightly low in energy today, not because of anything specific, but as you guys know, it's human to have your ups and downs. It's okay to succeed and fail sometimes. I don't know why, but since yesterday evening, nothing actually wrong, but something within me is sinking. I am not as high, and I want to confess and share this with you all. All the same, I myself, on request of many people and realizing that I have and I need to self love myself, I thought today is a great opportunity. I will not only be sharing with you whatever. That's so sweet of Chandani to say that we are with you. Nothing happened, Priya. It is just that sometimes it's not necessary. It's absolutely human to have your ups and downs. So I have been feeling little low, not down in the drums. If I say on a 1 to 10, I usually like to be between 7.5 to 9. And I am on a 9.5 when I do my sessions. But today I have been between 5 and 6. I was, but I'm sure by the end of the session, not only will I get so much love from y'all and I will raise my energy, but I don't know why I have been having that little low feeling today. So I just wanted to confess it. अगर आप लोगों को लगेगा कि सर आज इतना जोश में क्यों नहीं है, so that is one of the reasons. Okay. Now, what is self-love is a question that we all want to know. How do we love yourself? And what are the steps? What are the methods? So like they say, कोई chemical लोचा होता है brain में. There are certain chemicals which are released. There are 4 main ones. I will not go to all of them, but today I'll be talking of dopamine. Now that is a chemical which our brain releases, और जो कभी कभी due to whatever biological reasons, circumstantial reasons, और multiple other reasons, dopamine कम रिलीज होती है और हमारी खुशी और एक्साइटमेंट उस लेवल पर नहीं होती है. तो शायद today has been that one of the days, but I have done and taken all the actions which I'm going to share with you today. How to be in a good spirit, how to take your energy, emotional energies level from 5, 6 to 7.5, 8. And I hope by the end of the session today, we have a lot of new participants today. So people who are just joining in, you know what to do, how to just go to YouTube and watch my old videos. But today is a brand new topic. It is self-love. Before self-love, let's talk of a lot of things that come after the word self. Self matlab main. Okay, so different words that we use before the word self is self-confidence, self-talk. Self-confidence basically is trusting yourself. मैं जो फैसले कर रहा हूँ वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. That comes from your self-confidence. Then there is self-love. Self-love is basically, it comes from your achievements. Self-talk, which comes from your internal dialogue, which is constantly happening in your head. सारा दिन thoughts चलते रहते हैं और हर रोज हम अपने आप को कुछ कहते रहते हैं. That's the self-talk. Then there is self-esteem. Self-esteem comes from our achievements. A lot of positive words, self-image, self-confidence, और बहुत सारे self को negative words भी हैं. For an example, self-hurt और self-pity, खुद पे दया खाना. So मेरा ये मानना है, I believe that all of these self-relating issues should have been taught to us in school. Because eventually we are the ones who are going to perform and achieve and do whatever we have to do with our lives. So school should have taught us a lot about all these subjects. Unfortunately, we were never taught in school. All the same, fortunately, we are in a time where we have technology, we have internet, and we have Google to help us to teach how can we overcome. So apart from sharing a lot about self-love, let me start by telling you that self-love, I would call it a positive behavior of ourselves rather than the so-called negative self. And we have certain limiting beliefs when it comes to self-love. Yeah, it's either that we don't know how to do it, or we know it, but then we find it stupid, we find it weird. We find it, how can you love somebody yourself? So let me start by telling you, why do you need to love yourself? Because you are one of a kind. Out of the 7.6 billion people on the planet, there is nobody who is like you, so that makes you unique. That's one good enough reason to start believing that you have certain things that nobody else has as good as you. So you should start loving yourself. It's only that you have not been able to bring it out. Self-love is a unique kind of acceptance. अपने आप को हम जैसे हैं, पहले we need to accept ourselves and then see what are the things that we can do to get better. So how do you self-love? Sir, is there a way to hug yourself? Is there a way to pat yourself? Is there a way to tell yourself, I love you, I love you? If you want to release that so-called dopamines that bring about the pleasure in our head, yes, we will have to cultivate this habit. You have to be patient, you have to be persistent, and sometimes it takes a lifetime. Because you need to know that we will have our lows in life. We will not always have our highs. How to cope with our lows is what self-love will teach us and will help us to stay in a better energy. How do you do your self-love? Let me start by sharing a few things. So, understanding that I'm low in energy and I have that chemical which is in scarcity today, I suggest the first thing every morning, as soon as you get up from the bed, before you step down, we need to see what the great things around us we have and that we are alive today. One more day to fulfill our dreams. My favorite exercises of self-love is to stand in front of the mirror and start your day by admiring what are the good things that you have in your life. What is it that you can be grateful for? What is it that will make you believe, wow man, I have this? So to me, when I'm going to share all of this to you, it may sound like a boasting. क्या शो ऑफ कर रहा है, क्या अपनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहा है, अपनी बातें दिखा रहा है. मगर आज मैं जो भी आपसे कहूँगा, whatever I'm going to share today is actually the truth of my life. It is genuinely what I believe, and I have categorized my self-love affirmations in such a beautiful format, like I say in the subjects of life. I will run through my... So the other day I was speaking to somebody on a one-to-one session, and I asked that person, could you tell me... So she was complaining, ye hai, wo hai, this is not okay, that is not okay. And the 10 sentences were all about what is not okay in her life. And then I said, can you help me with 5 good things that are happening in your life? She said, good in my life, what is there, what is there? And then I asked her, are you alive? She said, yes. I said, do you believe that you're good looking? Yes. Do you have all your limbs? And then I started. And then I said, let me share with you today. So don't take this as Prakash sir boasting, कि क्या अपनी होशियारी दिखा रहे हैं. But I'm just sharing with you, how do you talk to yourself when you're standing in front of the mirror? And start by saying, hi, I am such a happy person and I am alive today. I will start with all the beautiful physical attributes that God has blessed me with. I have a lovely hair, not like many people who go bald at 50, 60. I have amazing eyesight and a great vision. I have a very good clear skin. I am extremely proud of my height, which is 5'11 and a half. But I usually wear my shoes, so I'm 6 feet tall. Of course, nobody can deny that. I have a wonderful voice. I am mentally quite well educated and well read. I am also well spoken. I am a great orator. I am socially pretty active. I have a lot of friends. And of course, without a doubt, I consider myself to be a very good coach, a person who can help people reach where they wish to if they are willing to go with the way I go. Socially, I am blessed with the most amazing family God can ever gift anybody with. The wife whom I loved from class 12 is Simran. I have been blessed with two amazingly handsome 6.2 feet plus boys. I have a lovely caring mother who's considerate to all our needs and who spreads spirituality and a lot of positivity in my family. I have a great set of 30 cousins on my maternal and my paternal side whom I have amazing relationships with. I am very cordial with my neighbors. I, as a matter of fact, am the head of the family that I call in my building. It's not a society, it's a family. I have great relationship with my vendors, with my clients, my teammates, my Facebook associates and acquaintances and friends, and now all of y'all. I have a great social circle. Emotionally, I enjoy listening to music. I love driving cars. I am blessed with an amazing car of my dreams, the three-pointed star. I love watching movies and laugh out. I have a great sense of humor. I listen to a lot of TED Talks. I'm blessed with enough money to have TEDx in my house. Professionally, yes, I make more than enough money to help me lead a beautiful life. I have a decent passive income, so I don't really have to work hard for my money. I have had my share of working. I enjoy my passion of coaching. I have been blessed with a lot of multiple businesses. Being a Sindhi, I used to make some interest, but I lost some money now. Nothing negative. On the spiritual side, I have been blessed with a beautiful spiritual master who guides and helps me evolve and develop to be a better human being. I regularly do seva in the ashram, and I can go on and on and on. I have more than 300. I have a gratitude book which I just have to open and read, and my energy, I'm already feeling quite much better. So thank you guys for patiently listening to me. It was not a boast, it was not a show off. It is just that I want to guide you all to please create. नज़र ना लग जाए, थैंक यू. नज़र नहीं लगती है यार, मेरी इंटेंशन अच्छी है तो I will tell all of you all to create a gratitude book. And I'm sure you guys have been happy sometimes in life. Every time you believe and feel कि वाह यार आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ, just rush to your gratitude journal, write it down, journal, what is it that I am happy about. So start your sentences with I am happy because ... I met my friends, I did this, I watched a great movie, I spoke well, I helped somebody. Make a gratitude journal, and of course in your vocabulary add a lot of self-talk when you say positive sentences. After doing what you did with your morning routine of reading your gratitudes and being thankful, now you're already at a 50% high energy. So right now I am at 7. Then what I will do is I'll eat and nourish myself well with a good balanced meal. Trust me, a good meal will give you a lot of positivity, and that so-called dopamine release will start happening when you have a good breakfast. Eat nutritious, eat a lot of fruits. Sometimes what we do is when we are upset or angry, we don't eat like a fool, as if नहीं खाने से हमारी mood ठीक हो जाएगी. It's the other way around. Eat well, drink a lot of water and liquids. जितना ज़्यादा सुसु करोगे, potty करोगे, toxins body से निकलेंगे. So please drink a lot of water. Sleep well, rest well. Sleep usually does 3 activities in our life. Whenever we sleep, the 3 activities are we rest, we digest, and we repair. So a minimum of 7 hours of sleep. Just go to sleep if you're not having a good day. It's a great way to repair yourself. Not all days are going to be amazing. Reach out to your family, your friends. All of you have got over 1,000 contacts on the phone. Pick up people who make you happy. In my case, my dearest friend right now while I'm talking to you, I'm reminded of his name is Mahendra Medu. I call him Pyar Se. There has never been a single time in my life when I have not spoken to Medu and I have not laughed it out. He makes sure he'll crack jokes about anything. So stop using your akal all the time and evaluating. So yes, and call your family, call your friends, call the people whom you really care for, love for. I have an aunt in Delhi whom I spoke to yesterday when I was feeling low, and I told her name is Amita Chachi. Her daughter is with me on the chat right now. That reminds me of thanking Amita ji. She has taught me a lot to shift my mood. Of course, sit for meditation. Spend some time with yourself. After you've nourished yourself, after you've rested well, and you've said the affirmations, sit for even 10 minutes. They are power naps, power breaks. I will not call it a nap. And you will identify that how much energy levels, like right now I'm on 7.5. I'm telling you the score because I like to give it to you in numbers. So get it right from there. There is a lot of toxic things happening around you. In somebody's house, it's the relationships that you cannot leave. In that case, those relationships you need to keep a little distance from. Stay a little away. Okay, don't distract me with your messages. Okay, yeah. And keep away from your toxic relationships. It's not very hard. Every time you feel little low, also make a short note. I am always drained out of energy every time I do this. Every time I see something or I witness something, my energy goes down. So detach from all toxic relationships. Sitting in sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes is a beautiful stimulant to bring back your energy. One other secret of feeling good and feeling light, which helps me tremendously, is declutter. Open your wardrobes, open your kitchen drawers, open your attics, open your cupboard के अंदर, पलंग के अंदर, bed के अंदर वाली चीजें, and start throwing out things that you do not want. That will release a lot of positivity. It's a therapy. I'm telling you, decluttering is a therapy. Being a yes man to her, yes. Learn to say no. Please do not look sorry or be a bichari. Every time you are trying to look good and in the bargain you are hating yourself. Your self-esteem goes down when you say yes to things you want to say no to. So please, please, please find your happiness spots in places. There are certain places in every house, in every office, in every association where you will feel good and light. So find those spots. Music helps tremendously. Listening to the appropriate right music is a therapy. For me, it works wonders. Music is my passion. Humming a song or painting, listening to some lovely things. Definitely take a hot or a cold water shower once, twice, thrice. This works amazingly for Akhil. My son has a magic. He has a shower built specially in his office also. Okay. Dress up to your best. Wear the best outfit because you don't dress for anybody else. You dress for yourself. It's your self-esteem that goes up when you dress well. So dress up to your best. Even if you're sitting at home and you're going out for dinner, dress well. Do your makeup. There are so many girls here who say they love makeup. Do your best. Yes, shopping is a therapy for a lot of women. Please go shopping. Spend all the money you've saved on a low day. Whenever you're feeling low, आज जाके दिल पेट भर के शॉपिंग कर लेंगे. ओके एंड एक्सेप्ट, ये मान के रहें, चाहे मैं हूं, चाहे कोई भी गुरुजी है, चाहे कोई भी मास्टर है, कोई थेरेपिस्ट है, कोई डॉक्टर है, वी ऑल हैव आवर लो डेज. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली नेचुरल. नो ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज ओनली गुड डेज. सो प्लीज एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड टेक इट as if it's a part of life that cannot go. Try something new, because every time you do something new, you require more focus. Try doing things with the other hand. Your attention has to be there. Divert your attention to small actions done in a different way. Treat everybody around you with a lot of respect and love, because maybe by giving you will receive. So that can bring you up a lot. exercise is an amazing way to come back to high energies. If you can go to the gym, nothing like it. As a couple, as with your friends, go to the gym. Please take a run if you're all alone, and enjoy working out, dancing, lovely therapy, kickboxing, Bharatnatyam, whatever dance you love. Please enroll yourself. You don't have to tell your mother-in-law or anybody. Just take a 1 hour break and go out. The time invested in your well-being is the best investment you can make. That is what I mean by self-love. And like I said in the beginning, collect data. When you collect data, what is it that makes you happy? You will be able to go back to it. So every time I'm feeling low, what I need to do is go firstly confess. Tell my wife, darling, I'm feeling very low. Tell my son, yaar, aaj mood bahut kharab hai. Please, aaj mere se koi bhi. So they know, okay, yaar, what is his language of love? They will start pampering me with that. She'll give me great protein-filled, good food. She'll make sure that there is music in the house. Beautiful candles are lit in the house. And then she'll make sure a friend or somebody whom I could call. So asking for support from your family is also very, very important. And these are the few things. There are so many other things, but I will just say be little more patient with yourself. Don't give up. मेरी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई. एक दिन, एक घंटा, एक हफ्ता आपकी जिंदगी नहीं है. People who have been married for 2 months are telling me, I'm fed up with my life, I'm married. People who are in a relationship and the person is traveling and already in self-imposed, self-pity. I am saying, love the time you have for yourself. Do as many things as you can for yourself. Doing what I'm doing right now is purely for myself. You may be thinking that, sir, हमें कुछ बता रहे हैं, but trust me, this is therapy for me. I love doing all of this. I'm extremely happy. And all that I would say is there are hundreds and thousands of more ways how to keep yourself happy on Google. Love yourself. Happiness से ज़्यादा खुद पर priority रखें. I will read out a very small article that I have read in context with this. Before doing that, please accept, learn, and evolve. How can I love myself more? And I'll read a small clip and then we will go to a few of your questions. The fact is, we don't love ourselves. It's not that we can't. It does not matter what and how much we have. What really matters is, what do we do with what we have? We cannot do much to change what we have, but we can certainly change the way we use with what we have. A pawn in a game of chess reference is used, if used well, could become a queen. So please love yourself, be happy, pamper yourself. Thank you for spending time. These 15 minutes that you spend with me is actually a form of self-love. It is therapy. And spend more time. Watch some TEDx. Stop sitting in front of the idiot box. Trust me, don't watch the news. क्या कर सकते हो आप अगर किसी और शहर में कुछ हुआ तो? So please stop watching the idiot box if you're very keen of sitting in front of the screen. Watch TEDx talks, watch some master classes, learn, evolve, choose what are your subjects of passion. Find out what is it that strikes a chord for you. For each one of us, there is something that strikes a chord. For me, it's music and friends. For Akhil, it is coffee and shower. For Malvika, it is makeup. For my mother, it is satsang and meditation. For some other people, for my wife, it's cooking. It's the most therapeutic thing. Every time I feel she's low in energy, I'll tell her I'm calling a few friends, and that's it. So I believe today I've shared a little insight, and I have prompted you all to start seeking. I am already feeling much, much better and lighter after sharing all this with you. And I hope and pray that you can utilize this to prioritize you first. Be selfish. Do whatever your heart feels like, and you are going to be able to cope with a lot of challenges that life will keep throwing. This is life, my friends. Don't expect. Yesterday when I was playing God. A lot of you have asked me for health always अच्छी, happiness always अच्छे, relations always अच्छे. अरे क्या बोरिंग हो जाएगी यार लाइफ. अप्स एंड डाउन्स ही तो लाइफ का एक तरीका है. So thank you all of you. Lord, praying, yes Aanchal, praying definitely helps. It's the therapy. Praying is what? Meditation is praying. So when you pray, you tell. When you meditate, you listen. And I say communication is not only telling but also listening. So you should pray, but sometimes just quietly sit. You will hear a lot about listening. So yes, meditation works a lot. And God bless you. You guys are amazing. Shopping is a great therapy for girls. Don't. I know all that. How to defeat your insecurities. Don't try to defeat or remove anything. Whatever you will resist will persist. Bring in more of securities. Okay? Keep more than 2,000-3,000 in your wallet. Wear your best outfit. Wear the best perfume. And be sure that tomorrow is going to be a great day. Have faith. That's it. It's as simple. What do you mean? Don't try to defeat. If you'll fight anything, you're wasting your energy in fighting. Rather, spend or invest your energy in creating. Create great things. अंधेरे को मत भगाओ. अब समझ गए मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye. Love you. See you day after tomorrow again on a new topic. Would love to get some feedback. What are the topics you are more keen on? And I'm just going to prompt you all. Okay, don't expect to be spoon fed. सर इसके बाद क्या होगा, ये क्या करेंगे, वो क्या करेंगे. उसके बाद आप खुद अभ्यास करें. मैंने आपको रास्ते बता दिए हैं खुद से मोहब्बत करने के. मैंने रास्ते बता दिए हैं कैसे होती है और क्यों ज़रूरी है. Okay? Bye bye. Take care. Have a great evening. All the best. Love y'all. I am now 9 on 10. So bye.